All right. I've been working on this thing for weeks. Okay? First thing I'm going to say garbage. Don't buy this crap. Now, I had high hopes. Everything appears to be fairly solid. This is the second unit, the whole unit. The first one, you had to assemble everything to make the frame. Well, that was the old unit, was the vendor's response. So they sent me this one, which all the components, the frame and everything, all 3D printed. It all goes together relatively quickly. I have spent hours, various software, including what comes with it, trying small, different SVG files, G codes, whatever, to test functionality, different bits, trying everything to get a functional CNC for the shop. During that process, the controller of the replacement unit failed. The advice? Replace it with the one that you still have that we replaced with this. So backing up, they sent a replacement, didn't want the other one back. Spare parts, it ended up being to replace. So that new unit's control board failed. Okay? Thought, I'm going to print a snowflake pattern today, which again, you set your pattern, here's your start point, you only want to go a little bit deep, here's your bit, go. This isn't overly complicated. But what ends up happening is it buried the bit in the wood, and during the process, blew the board. And if you look really closely, you can see at the top there, right up here, it started a fire. Don't buy this crap. Save your money, do it manually until you can afford a larger CNC that will actually stand up to even small jobs, not even big ones. I hadn't even gotten to anything important. This was all test stuff. Even the wood behind me has got some screws down into a scrap piece that's double-sided tape, so I don't go through thousands of dollars in tape. The software that's out there, there's lots of good software. Easel, VCarve, they all look good. They all run really, really well. It's not a software issue. It's shit hardware. Don't buy this. Don't buy it for anyone for Christmas, their birthday, anniversary, because it's a Friday. It's crap. They're crap. It doesn't matter. I suspect they're going to send me another one of these. And guess what? It's going to blow up. I bet you. Dollars to donuts because it's the second one. I even have this on its own surge bar. And we're not talking a cheap dollar store. I'm talking a $40 surge bar. Everything. When I'm done with it at the end of the day, I turn it off. I unplug the cables. Everything to do to try and maintain the integrity of a piece of electronics that is crap, garbage. Stop wasting your money. Don't buy this. Don't. I don't know what to even do. Like I'm looking at, like it's even melted the back of the, like it is, if you weren't home, which you should never leave any machines unoccupied, and this started a fire in your house, everyone's worried about lithium ion batteries. This is the crap that will start the house on fire. So if they send me a replacement, I don't know what I'm going to use it for. Get it back working. I don't know. I don't know. I really don't know, because it's garbage. Garbage products, garbage controllers. Don't waste your money. That's my advice.